Hi everyone, I'm Eartha Baca. Welcome to today's episode of Beauty Graffiti. Today's look is Venom. I have to say it was really challenging and really fun to try to pull this look off. So stick with me to the end of the video. We're going to do this in time lapse. Definitely leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and subscribe so you can see the newest uploads first. All right, let's go. For today's look, I'm going to do something a little different. Doing Venom, one side of his face is Venom and there's no ear. So I'm actually use Scotch tape to put my ear back, and I'm also going to tape my eye down for the photo at the end. I have a hard time keeping one eye down and relaxed and opening my other eye just naturally. I'd be squinting kind of like this. So I'm going to tape it down. Next thing I'm going to do is something a little different. I'm going to cover the Scotch tape with painter's tape because the makeup will not stick to this this tape as well. I think it's just going to slip and slide everywhere. So I'm going to just cover the tape with painter's tape to give it that little bit of texture and let the makeup stick to the taped area. So here we go. Thank you guys for being with me. Let's jump into it and I will see you when we're done.